Today, we're taking a look at one of our most popular tools with contractors and technicians, the 10-piece concrete hole saw kit. These hole saws are built for concrete, brick, cement, masonry, and block walls. You get 5 different sizes, starting at 30 millimeters and going all the way up to 100 millimeters. The kit includes both SDS-Plus and SDS-Max shanks, making it compatible with most rotary hammers and drills contractors already use on the job. It also comes with 3 precision centering drill bits. Everything comes packed in a solid plastic carrying case, keeping your tools protected, organized, and easy to transport between jobs. This is a complete kit. Hole saws, shanks, bits, all in one place. No guessing, no extra trips. These hole saws feature TCT YG8 carbide tips designed for faster cuts, longer life, and serious durability. This larger size is perfect for line sets, drain lines, and wall penetrations, even in tough concrete. The SDS-Plus shank is ideal for lighter duty work, and when you need more power, the SDS-Max shank handles heavy concrete without slowing you down. These centering bits help you drill clean, precise holes right from the start, saving time and reducing tool wear. If you're an HVAC contractor looking for reliable tools that get the job done, this kit is a solid addition to your setup. Follow and subscribe for more product highlights and contractor tools from Perdomo Distributor, your trusted air conditioning supplies.